Your heavy components can't move to the machine. So why is your marking machine still sitting on that same place? Big frames, large pipes and heavy fabricated parts. Marking them was always a challenge until now. Introducing the Shubham Ventures portable dot pin marking machine. Just pick it up, walk to your part and start marking serial number, part codes, barcodes, logos, solar plant beam, heavy beam, MS sheet and solar panel just in seconds right there on the spot. Deep permanent mark on steel, aluminium, cast iron and plastic, any surface, any angle and any location. No ink, no label, no fade, ever. This is real, permanent and industrial grade marking, now in your hands wherever you need it. Lightweight design, simple software, PC and laptop control. Any person from your shop floor can operate it from day one. Don't let your marking process slow down your production. WhatsApp us today and we will send you working demo video instantly. See it in action and decide for yourself. Shubham Ventures, the complete marking solution.